Welcome to Artfulnguyen channel. This is a place to share beautiful and wise words, valuable knowledge from the sages, that still hold great value for our generation today. We hope that the content we share will bring joy and benefit to you. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you very much.
5 financial tips for a fast health assessment and online loan success. A comprehensive health assessment is crucial for maintaining and improving quality of life. It helps detect health problems early and promotes prevention. Regular assessments also improve personal health care autonomy. A regular health assessment regimen has many benefits. It increases the likelihood of effective treatment, reduces the risk of severe diseases, and promotes a sense of well-being. Financial worries can influence your decision to undergo a health assessment. They can create psychological pressure and affect personal budgets. Smart financial management can reduce financial pressures. By budgeting, saving, and finding flexible financing options, you can face the cost of health assessments. When borrowing for a health assessment, determine the exact amount you need and your ability to repay. Create a specific plan to manage your finances and prioritize spending. Consider interest rates and other costs associated with borrowing. By answering these questions, you can define the purpose and financing basis for the loan process. There are many online loan options available to meet your financial needs. Online banks, personal loan sites, payday loan services, online credit platforms, and consumer loan applications offer flexible and convenient loan solutions. Through these platforms, you have access to a variety of personal loan options with flexible conditions and competitive interest rates. When choosing a loan provider, consider interest rates, loan terms, and related costs. Thoroughly compare loan providers to choose the one that best suits your financial situation and goals. Read customer reviews to get a realistic view of other people's experiences. Carefully research and compare loan providers to understand the conditions and pros and cons of each option. Use online comparison tools and read the terms carefully. Ensure that your choice accurately reflects your personal financial needs and desires. A fast health assessment and online loan success are within reach. Trust the guide provided and take action to achieve your health assessment goals. Share the valuable information with friends so they can benefit too. Good luck in your quest for financing.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you and have a great day.